Hi, my name's Larry. This is Larry Pollock Photography. Today we're going to talk about the Cyber Commander and how to turn one light or more lights off in a group. And I've got this really quick setup here I did real fast just to show you this. And right now they're all on. And a lot of times maybe you want to just turn off like this fill light, just be able to turn it off in the middle of a shoot and maybe just have someone hold a reflector or maybe just get rid of it altogether for a different look. So one way to do that is just to go in here, and I'm right now on all lights. What I'm going to do is navigate back through all the lights up here past channel 16. I'm going to go into groups, and I have group 1 showing here, which is all 3 lights. You'll see that this one's on right now. This is light 2. This is the one we'll be talking about. And again, we could go ahead, and if I had another way to do this is if I had a whole nother group of lights, let's say at a meeting or at a wedding, that I wanted to be able to turn that group on and turn this group off. Well, you're getting a sense of what I'm going to tell you here. It's working with groups. So I could set up different groups. I could even do that with this set right here. I actually have 2 groups set up, one with all 3 lights going and another one that has just these 2, my number 3, my hair light, and my key light, and then we can turn off this fill light. So I'm going to go ahead and go here to group 2 and look what's going on here. This one's still on, this one's still on, as you can see, and this one is currently off, the number 2 light. So that was that fast. If I want it back on, I just move back to group 1, just wait a moment for this to go. I can see it here on the Cyber Commander that's showing me that it's on, and now she's back up. So it's that quick that you can do that. So just setting up different groups with different kinds of lights. Let's say you open all the lights up, and when you get the studio fired up, then you have all these groups that are related to those same lights. Then you can move between the groups to get different setups all the way down to just one light on. So it's up to you how you want to work that. Another way to do that is, let's say I'm over here, let me go on back down to my channels here. Let's just go back down to channel 2, which is where this light happens to be on. And I'm going to go ahead and go the right joystick to the 3rd screen, which is my setup screen. And I'm going to go down to light settings. And I'm going to go ahead and enter that. Now I'm in here and I'm on the 2nd level down called power. And it's on right now, and I'm on channel 2. Make sure you're on the channel you want to turn off. All I have to do is press the button and move it over to standby. Then this light is now offline and not working. So I could just go ahead and do that way. I could go back to shooting. Then I can, when I want it back on, I just go ahead and press the setting button up. I just got an audible beep that it's coming on, and you'll see this come on here in a moment here that it's back on in the group. So there it is. So there's 2 ways for you to turn lights off. I prefer the group one because I'm already over there shooting. I'll just move between groups to make lights on and off. Or you can go over here to your settings panel and take care of it from there. So hopefully that's helpful. This is video number 25 in my training series.